Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something different. I decided to take it back to my college years. When I went to the University of Bridgeport, I actually took Taekwondo for 4 years as a course. And I learned a lot. I loved it. I fell in love with it. And Scarlett could tell you, I swear I'm a ninja. Because I am. So today I figured, why not show you guys some of the forms that I learned in school, and maybe, hey, never know if someone, is interested and learn something from this as well. So I'm going to be doing form number 1, which is Taegyok to Jang. So So that was my first form, and now I'm going to teach you guys something expert level. I am, as you saw, a purple belt. I was so close. I needed 3 more belts to become a black belt, which would have been awesome. So I decided, why not show you guys a little something more extreme? But watch very carefully, because I actually go really fast in this one, and I don't want you guys to miss anything. If anything, I can always do a slow-mo. Here it is. Did you guys see it? You missed it? I'm gonna play back slow motion then. All right, guys, that was it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope I didn't stumble you guys there a little bit. Thank you again for watching, and guys, don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye now.